Need a step-by-step on how to change a toilet seat? Then be sure to keep watching. If you're wanting to upgrade your toilet seat and swap out your existing one for a more stylish design, or simply need to replace it due to wear and tear, then this is the video for you. The type of toilet seat you already have in place will dictate exactly how you remove it. But most toilet seats are similar in style, so we'll cover all the main points you need to know. Before you start, you'll require the following tools: a tape measure, pencil, a screwdriver, pliers or adjustable wrench, rubber gloves and a cleaning cloth. Measure your toilet to ensure you know what size seat you'll need. Remove the existing toilet seat fixings. Depending how securely these are attached, it might be a good idea to use a pair of pliers here. Some screws may be covered by plastic caps for aesthetic reasons. These will easily just lift off. Then go in with a cloth and some soapy water to clean around the toilet before attaching the new seat. Loosely attach the new toilet seat fixings before adjusting the seat to get it into the correct position. Once everything is in place, tighten everything. If you are unsure of anything when fitting, be sure to check any manufacturer's instructions. Be sure to head over for the full blog over on bathshack.com for more information regarding fitting a toilet seat and types of toilet seats available here at Bathshack. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more bathroom knowledge and inspiration videos.